Welcome to episode 61. So, we are on the verge of completing the civil work. So, what you are seeing is the passage flooring work which was in progress, and apart from that, the kitchen sink countertop work is also underway. So, apart from that, as I've already mentioned you, we have completed most of the false ceiling part, plus electrical conduiting majorly is completed, and we have started with the carpentry. Since this is the initial days of carpentry, that is why you see all the plywood uh, pasted with inner laminates, and it is under pressure, so due for cutting. In the master bedroom's balcony, I am yet to start with the parapet cladding work. So fabrication work is also almost completed in the entire flat. Now it is majorly the carpentry work which will be in progress from the coming days. So in the kids bedroom as well, what I'm focusing is on the completed work till date. So thank you so much guys, and do like, comment, share and subscribe my channel. Thank you. Bye bye.